Okay, so I'm not being biased when I make this video. It's all about what I experience is the best security system, at least the do-it-yourself security system that is, and also what it has to offer as far as features and ability. Okay, so I've done a video of rounding up all these do-it-yourself security system on my channel before, so you can check out that video if you want to. But in this video, I'm going to cover the one that I personally use that I think is the best one on the market as far as features and capability of what it can do beyond just being a security system. Now, all these other systems that's on the market, if you're just looking for a basic security system that doesn't have a bunch of features that you're looking for, then pretty much any one of these you choose will do the job and get the job done. But I'm gonna let you know why I chose the Abode security system, because it's the best one that I've run into that plays well with a lot of other devices. It's good for smart home setup, and it's the only one that I can tell from what I can see at the time of this video that comes with the option to add a panic button. Now, a panic button is very good in the instance where you cannot get to the panel, or you're in a situation where you're in your home or you're upstairs and you hear that crashing of the back window or glass door or wherever, and you can't get to the panel to trigger the alarm. If you have that panic button, say in your bedroom, you can easily push that button, hold it, and then set off the alarm, which will hopefully scare that person that's in your home, because that's a scary feeling knowing that you heard somebody broke into your home and you don't have your phone nearby or whatever the case may be. So this system gives you the option to get that panic button. It's not included in the package when you first get it, but you can always purchase it separately and add it to the system. So now you'll have some type of peace of mind in case somebody break into your home while you're at home. Another thing about this system is its smart home integration. So it works well with other devices, like for instance your thermostat and your smoke alarm system, if you have the Nest Protect, and different kind of devices that's inside your home. It works with all the smart home system, you know, Apple, Google, and Amazon. So you can arm and disarm your system using your voice, and you can set up different routine depend on what happens, you know, as far as coming home and leaving without actually setting your alarm. Based on the distance from your house, the alarm would automatically set itself, or it would disarm itself when you arrive home. Now that's based on the last device that leaves outside your home. So if you don't live alone and you have a family of 4, the last person that leaves the home is when the system is going to act as far as arming or disarm the system. So if you're the first one home, the system is going to disarm itself. If you're the last one to leave the home, then that's when the system is going to actually arm itself. So those are some of the home automation stuff that's built into this system. You can set up routine with your Amazon Assistant to let you know which door or window is open, because it will make an announcement based on the routine that you have set up. And I've did routines on it before, so you can check those out on this channel. The unit itself has a 10-hour backup battery built in. So if the power should ever go out, then at least you know your home is still protected, because everything runs on battery and they're wireless. The base is the only thing that's plugged into the wall for power source, but it also has a backup power, like I said, if you should lose power. Now, even though it's connected to the internet, which gives you information as far as what's going on with the system, it still has a cellular backup built in. So even if you lose connection to the internet, it can still use the cellular service that's built in. Now that's something you'd have to activate, but it will give you the ability to still monitor the system even without an internet connection. Now this system is one of the few systems on the market that has a whole slew of accessories that you can add on. You can have an extra siren for indoor, and there's also an outdoor siren, so you can let the neighborhood know my system has been triggered and the alarm is going off. There's glass break sensor, there's leak sensor, there's all kind of different sensors that you can actually add to this device. And like I said, one of the things that it has that a lot of the other systems don't have is a panic button. Now if you have this system and you've had it for a very long time, you're probably used to this keypad, but this new keypad is upgraded to work much better than this original keypad. This one has a built-in battery, so all you have to do is just plug it into the USB port and then charge it up. While this one uses regular batteries, so all you have to do is just take off the back panel, replace the battery, and you're good to go. Now I would recommend, if you still have this one, it's time for you to upgrade to this, because the features that's built into this one is going to make your life a whole lot easier. This new keypad is going to actually show you the status of the system based on the color on this logo for the Abode. So if it turns blue, you know the system is ARM, and then you don't have to guesswork to see if the system is ARM or not. And then when it turns white, you know the system is Disarm. This panel will give you the option to do one touch. So you can do one touch away and the system will start doing the countdown for you to leave out the building. If you're home, you just hit the home button one time and the system is going to arm itself in home mode. The only thing that's not one touch is the standby button. If you hit the standby button while the system is armed, either away or home, it's not going to do the standby. You will still have to enter your code and then hit the standby to disarm the system. But it's just cool to actually hit the away button or the home button, depending on what you're trying to do, instead of have to enter your code and then hit home and then enter your code to hit away. Because that's something I had to do on this keypad right here. So this keypad has made it a whole lot easier to get it done. And also this keypad is motion sensing. So when you walk past it, it's going to light up and let you know the status of what's going on. It has a little speaker that's built in that beeps when the alarm system is being set. It has a magnetic back, so when you put the panel on the wall, you just stick it to the wall and then you can pull it off when need to charge it and stuff like that. So that's basically it on this new keypad. If you have the old one, it's time for you to upgrade to this new one. You're going to see a big difference when you do. So like I say, if you're looking for an alarm system that's very versatile, you want to go with the Abode system. I've been using it for years and I've experienced other systems like the Ring. I've did an installation for somebody before, so I know what the system is like. And I did Home 8 and there were some other ones too. But I like the Abode system, and that's what I would recommend if you're looking for a very versatile alarm system, especially if you're looking for one that comes with a panic button. So go with the Abode security system and you will have nothing to worry about. All right, so thanks for taking the time for watching this video. Have a good one and I'll see you next time.